Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save energy with Nest Thermostat, complete guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your Nest Thermostat is installed and set up correctly. Connect it to your Wi-Fi network through the Nest app on your smartphone. This allows you to control your thermostat remotely and access energy-saving features. Next, familiarize yourself with the Nest app interface. Here, you can monitor your energy usage and adjust settings as needed. Set specific temperature schedules for different times of the day. For example, program lower temperatures during the night or when no one is home. Utilize the Home/Away Assist feature, which adjusts the temperature automatically when you leave or return home. Maintain a consistent temperature as much as possible to enhance energy efficiency. Avoid drastic temperature changes, as they can lead to increased energy consumption. Consider using the Eco Temperature setting. This mode allows the thermostat to save energy while still keeping your home comfortable. Monitor the energy history feature regularly. It provides insights into your heating and cooling habits, allowing for smarter adjustments. If you have multiple zones in your home, consider using additional Nest thermostats. This ensures that each zone is heated or cooled based on individual needs. Make sure to keep your Nest thermostat software updated. Check for updates in the app to benefit from new energy-saving features. You can also enable the heat pump balance feature if you have a heat pump. This ensures it runs efficiently based on your heating preferences. Finally, remember to perform regular maintenance on your HVAC system. Changing filters and ensuring proper airflow can significantly impact energy efficiency. By following these steps, you can maximize your Nest thermostat's potential to save energy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.